Good afternoon, uh, venerable doctor, professor, and classmate. Today is my great honors to present you about a philosophical foundation of education, historical perspective of the four prominent big thinkers, four prominent philosophers that revolutionized our educations until now. So let me start with Rousseau. His work is called Emiles, that is a revolution in education thought. He believed that uh, if we want our student to learn best, it is by learning by doing. So he advocate some hands-on learning, believing that children should not be given a pre-packaged knowledge, but rather guided to discover knowledge through exploration and engagement with the world around them. So learning by doing is the best thing. And uh, uh, additionally, he also divided his view in gender education by learning by doing into two part of gender we call Sophie or Imai. He believed that a girl will learn different from boys because of he mentioned because of the nature or the natural development. So girl born to become wife, to become mother, and boys to become responsible or independent, uh, yeah, and prepare for more social engagement. This is what Rousseau mentioned. For Pestalozzi, education for the whole child, he also support Rousseau's and learning by doing, but he create his own approach by call object lessons. His approach is encourage the children to learn through direct interaction with the objects, fostering observation, exploration, and active participation in the learning process. So his approach is similar or the same as Rousseau, but he just create own uh, name, his own name, object lessons, but it's more detailed. It's more detailed by Rousseau's. In contrast, for Hubbard, he believed that students learn by the teacher's guidance. So his approach is that students learn by the teacher's guidance, the importance of the teachers, or teacher center. It is based on the teacher who structure the learning environment and providing guidance to foster discipline. If the teacher do that, the students can learn best based on the Herbert. And another part for football, the burst of kindergarten, he do more discovery on the kindergarten learning. He found that uh, kindergarten learn best by play, by through play. So uh, he is an expert in early childhood education with the concept of kindergarten. He believed that play was the central of the child development, fostering creativity, social interaction, and the love of learning. So nurturing also play uh, can develop the child potential based on his approach. So in conclusion, we also believe that students learn best by doing, while Peterson support Rousseau by creating another name of approach is object lesson. The student will learn by more exposure and exploration or interaction, like something like learning by doing. While Herbert, his concept is contrasted with Rousseau and Pestalozzi. He focused on the teacher's guidance that only teacher can help the student learn best by preparing the or organizing the environment, yeah, the environment, uh, the discipline of the student, and so that the student can learn best. Another part, Froebel, like, his discovery on the kindergarten concept. He believed that kindergarten student learns through play. So this is what the four big thinker. So the four big thinker mentions about education, education children, education kids. So, however, the continuous conversation of this concept, this approach is still in debate, and yeah, and use debate and use debate and use until now. So let's discover more. Thank you so much for listening.